Linnea, and today I have a super quick video tutorial for you using the Penguin Palace Rain of Hearts stencil. This is such a cute stencil with a geometric heart pattern. So I'm just going to start off by spraying the back of my stencil with some pixie spray. This is going to allow me to tack the stencil on to a piece of black cardstock, and it won't wiggle around while I add some Gina K Designs Glitz Glitter Gel over the top. So I love the look of white on black and black on black, but there's this new color of the Glitz Glitter Gel, and it's silver. So I thought that I would try silver on black, and the result is a super elegant look. I am totally in love with it. So I am just going to spread this silver glittery gel over this Rain of Hearts stencil, and I'll smooth it out with my stencil pal. It's basically like a big palette knife, and once I'm done, I'll remove the stencil and check this out. Look at all those super glittery hearts. I am so in love with this background. I'm going to set it aside and grab the Penguin Palace Birthday Unicorn stamp set. This is one of my favorites. It's an older one, but I just love these cute little unicorns and all these birthday sentiments. It's been my go-to stamp set for when I've been making birthday cards lately. So I'm going to stamp out the little unicorn with the cake stand of cupcakes and a sentiment as well. Once I have those all stamped onto my heavyweight cardstock, I'm just going to add some color to the unicorn. I added just hints of my lightest gray marker around the edges of his body so that he would have that appearance of white but still have those shadow areas. And then for his mane and his tail, I'm going to use some aqua blue colors. I'm using different colors on here. Having the black and silver background kind of gives me free reign to use for my coloring here because I don't have to match anything to like a pattern paper, or if I was using inks over the background, I don't really have to match anything because my whole background is so neutral. So I love that I could give some aqua blue colors and some bright pink colors to my cupcakes. It's just such a happy and fun birthday card in the end. I'm going to cut around that image with my scissors, and I also trimmed out the sentiment, and I just kind of flagged the edge. I added some foam squares for dimension, but I'm also going to add some liquid glue. This is just something that I like to do when I'm adding images or sentiments onto a textured background, and so because we have this glitter gel in the background, it is quite textured, so I use liquid glue just to make sure that it's going to hold tight. I'll add my images right on top, and then I'll flip this card around and trim off the excess of that sentiment banner. And that's the end of this card. Like I said, super quick, but I really think using your stencils like this packs quite a punch. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you all in the next video. Bye!